everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 485 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out my last new NYX product from when I went to the NYX store recently. This was actually a free gift with purchase. I think it was when you spend $30 you could choose a free full-size product, and I chose this here. This is the Eclair de Genie. It says it in English on the other side. It's the Strobe of Genius holographic stick. Oh my goodness. And I chose the shade Mermaid Armor, is I think what it's called, but it did come in one other shade. And this retails for $9. And so this is supposed to be a holographic highlighter. And I've tried out some other holographic products from NYX before that I was so impressed by. I think holographic is so cool, and NYX tends to do a good job with it. So let's see how this is. So it is just like a chubby stick formula that you can twist up. Should we see how much you actually get in here? Oh, that's it. That's it. Twist it up all the way. That is a lot less product than I was expecting, especially for $9, because to me that is not cheap. So let's see how this swatches. The texture of it is kind of like a lip balm. All right. So that's less pigment than I was expecting. But you can see how it kind of catches the light with that holographic glow. And it does seem to have a really pretty like ultraviolet pink sheen to it. And then it does say to blend out. But I don't know, when I blend it out, it kind of just disappears. Oh, that did not do much. When I was at the NYX store, one of the ladies that worked there was wearing this and it looked so sparkly on her. But this does not really look like anything. Let's try some more, like really applying a lot. And that like still barely looks like anything. But it doesn't really have much sparkle to it. It's more just like a shine. Well, it says to apply it to the high points of the face, so I'm gonna try it. I applied a lot because I want it to actually show up, but during that process of rubbing it across my cheek, it completely rubbed away my foundation. So, I mean, it doesn't look super like intense holographic the way the other NYX holographic highlighter was that I tried out. So if you want to see that, I will link that video down below. But this is actually like pretty subtle. I mean, it's glowy, it looks illuminating on the skin, but not really holographic. Like I just kind of like this as like a glowy highlighter, but it is pretty sticky. So it would also be a good base to some powder highlighters to really amp up the intensity of it. I also think that this is better on bare skin because this texture really can grab at the foundation and rub it away. But let me see if I go in with even more. I feel like I already applied so much, but let's see if I can build it up. I'm surprised that this just is not very buildable. I mean, yeah, so for something pretty subtle, it does look kind of dewy, so I do like the finished texture of how it looks on my skin, but I have just like a stripe of no makeup. And I also think it would be a good body highlight, like on the shoulder, the collarbones, because then I'm just kind of putting it on bare skin and it can catch the light and look kind of, I don't know, I guess a little bit cool, like having this kind of pink sheen off of the skin. I don't know. Definitely not as intense as I was hoping for. With the name Strobe of Genius, you would think that it would be a little bit more intense. But I mean, if you just want to maybe dip your toe into that holographic trend, this could be a good option. But honestly, I'm pretty glad that I got this as a free product, because if I had paid $9 for it, I would be a little bit let down. But because I have it and it's not terrible, it is something that I'm probably going to wear more so on the body during the summer than on my face, because I like to wear foundation all over my face and this just doesn't sit well on top of my foundation. But maybe on the lips, on the eyelid, could kind of get creative with this. I mean, let me know in the comments down below if you have recommendations on how to wear this. But so, even though this product was not amazing, all of the other products that I tried from NYX during my recent haul were pretty great. So I highly recommend picking up some new NYX products. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.